Are you looking for a 3-bed, 2.5-bath home that is luxurious and only about a year old? If you have, you are in luck. My name is Chris Whitten from Premier Real Estate, and this is 179C CROWNSHIELD Ave in UXBRIDGE. All right, welcome to our video guided tour portion of this beautiful home. So this home was built 2024, just about a year old now. We're tucked away on CROWNSHIELD Ave. So if you're not familiar where that is, it's 146A Quaker Highway here in UXBRIDGE, just where the big Y is kind of going in the Cock and Kettle. So right around the corner from there, boop, you swing up CROWNSHIELD, come all the way down, and you've got a beautiful neighborhood here. So this neighborhood built just about a year or so ago. We're at 179C. There's 4 of them, 179A, B, we are C, and then there's D. They are technically on paper and in the deed, condos. They're really single family homes. So there is a low $151 condo fee that you pay. However, this is yours. How are they condos, Chris? They are connected by a little piece of cement that connects the foundations that you don't see under the ground. How they got them to make it happen, it's weird, but it works. Beautiful home here. We have over 1,900 square feet, 3 beds, 2.5 baths on the inside, town water, town sewer. Crazy upgrades when our buyers, my clients here, bought this as buyers. They made sure they had all the right things, and I'm gonna show you that as we head inside. By the way, 2-car garage. Winter coming up, you're gonna need that. So this layout in here, super appealing. You're going to see, and I'll try to point them out as best I can. You got to get in here really to see it for yourself and soak it in. However, you come right in, gorgeous hardwoods throughout the entire 4th floor here, which you will see. You got some recessed lighting right away. When you do come in, you do see that it's vaulted ceilings. That's going to go up to your 2-bed and 1 bath that's on the 2nd floor, but we're going to show you the 1st floor first. These windows, super tall, lets in lots of natural light, and there's windows all over the place. So it's nice, it's airy, it's bright, it flows well into what we're gonna call your dining room. This easily seats 6 here. You could easily extend with a leaf to seat 8. Great spot here. But again, everybody's looking for a nice floor plan, an open concept, and that's what you have here. As this area, we'll go into the living room in a second, but I wanna show off this kitchen because this is beautiful. So you have this island, a little extra to pop this up. So now you have some spots here, a 2-tiered island. Well, technically a peninsula, but many still consider it an island. It does stick out, beautiful granite countertops. So the great thing is while you're doing dishes, cleaning up, you've got the TV there, you've got a view of your back deck and outside. You've got plenty of cabinet space, as you can see, and counter space. Stainless steel appliances, white cabinets, and you do have gas cooking here, so you've got a nice gas cooktop and range, and you have a pantry area here. You've got a lot of great things going on here in this kitchen with the recessed lighting. We're gonna make a full circle now, so hang in there with me. So now here we are in our living room. It's spacious. It's nice. Now, you can call this a living room, and when we walk in, there's like a formal living room. You can flip them around, do what you need. That's what I love about these open floor plans, is they're a palette. Just do what you want to do. So, you can see you have a gas fireplace here. Great spot for your TV. Again, nice vaulted ceilings with, it is put in for some ceiling fans. Don't worry, central AC, of course, right? But if you wanted a ceiling fan, they did spend a little extra money to have those possibilities in a few of the homes here, a few of the rooms here in this home. So you even have a nook over here if you want to have an office space, a little desk, but we got room for that elsewhere. We will show you. All right, let's continue. Just past your deck, just around the corner, is your primary suite here on the 1st floor. Again, 2 bedrooms upstairs. We're gonna get you there in a second with a full bath. Here's your primary suite. Huge bedroom, as you can see. Again, the vaulted ceilings. It gives it lots of space. It also has recessed lighting, and up there a spot for a ceiling fan if you want to at some point add it. Walk-in closet, beautiful hardwoods, and let's flow into your primary bathroom. Full bath here, walk-in shower, which is beautiful, double vanity, white cabinets in here, absolutely beautiful primary bathroom. And then The next door over is your laundry room, first floor laundry. Who doesn't love that, right? So you have first floor laundry there with a little bit of storage, and off of that is your half bath here on the first floor. So remember, we have 1.5 baths on the first floor, and then from that half bath, you continue and boom, you're in the kitchen again. So I told you, full circle, here we are back in the kitchen. This door goes to your spacious 2-car garage, which you're going to love all year, but especially the colder, snowier months that are ahead. This here goes to your lower level. You're gonna see the footprint is huge. You have over 1,900 square feet first and second floor, and when you see the lower level, the possibilities to finish a workshop, exercise, storage, whatever you need down there, it's huge. You do have, as I mentioned, town water, town sewer. You have gas, natural gas here, which is great. Lots of great things happening. More great things up here on the second floor. Here we are upstairs, and to the left, you have bedroom number 1 up here, which is bedroom 2 of the whole home so far. You have nice carpet, again, only a year old in here. Beautiful, good space, good sized bedroom, decent sized closet, and you have some recessed lighting and, again, a ceiling fan mount if you want to do something with that. And just across the open hallway here, you come into your 3rd bedroom in the home. Now, obviously, it's set up at the moment as an office/den. However, great space in here for a 3rd bedroom, a home office, whatever you may need for it. Again, recessed lighting. You have a good-sized closet, 2 good windows, letting in some natural light. Great stuff. And your 2nd full bath in the home is here, right in the middle off of your large hallway. You can see you have tile floors. This is your shower/tub. It's fiberglass, and you have a good-sized linen closet just here in the hallway. So there you have 1st, 2nd floor. Beautiful, right? Built only a year ago. Everything's still fresh. It has that new house, new car smell. So we're gonna head out back here. I'll explain a little bit more about the condo fees and the situation here and your recently added huge back deck. So here, a beautiful, brandy new deck. As you can see, you know, everything's only a year old, but they added this on afterwards. You got the composite decking, the nice stuff, the vinyl rails. I love that they have the lights here, so to set the mood, set the fine vibes once it gets a little darker on the cooler nights that are ahead. So you see, it's unique, and follow me if you can. Come on out here, I'll show you the backyard and explain the situation. So, yes, are they condos? Technically, yes. As I mentioned, somewhere over here is a buried small foundation, so they were able to build here, this complex, build a lot of great homes here in this neighborhood. But you are a standalone, single-family home, as you can see. And the great things about it is roof, everything's brand new, obviously, from just about a year ago. However, all the maintenance, everything is yours. You don't have to worry about a condo association. There is a condo fee, $151 for that. That takes care of snow removal at the street. It takes care of your trash and some of the common areas. Otherwise, this is your baby. We're standing in your backyard, the front yard. Little area to mow. You can put up a fence. You can see a lot of vinyl fences around the neighborhood here. So you can certainly do that if you would like. Lots of great stuff happening here in this blossoming neighborhood. And if you love Halloween, it's gonna be booming up here. Great neighborhood to stroll through for Halloween. So let's recap for you real quick as we head here to your front little stoop area, which I love. You've got 3 beds, 2.5 baths, over 1,900 square feet. 1,910 is the square footage. That's just 1st and 2nd floor. Great potential in the lower level. When you get here in person, you will see you've got a 2-car garage for also some extra storage and lots of upgrades in this home that a lot of these homes do not have. These owners put in some love and some extra care that you are going to benefit from. This is 179C CROWNSHIELD Ave here in UXBRIDGE. My name is Chris Whitten from Premier Real Estate. I'd love to get you in here for what at that point would be your 2nd showing.